Bankrate just did a study and found just one at-fault car crash really affects your insurance rates. Bankrate analyst Shannon Martin also found your rates are impacted by that one accident for around 3 to 5 years.
So if you were involved in one accident, you'll see an increase of around 43%. That would put your rate around $3,299 per year for full coverage insurance.
Martin also says there doesn't need to be another driver involved. If you skid on ice or swerve to miss an animal and hit a tree instead, you can still be considered at fault for that accident by your insurance carrier. Inflation is also still affecting the cost of labor and parts for cars that need to be fixed after a crash. Martin says the cost of those repairs is still around 20% higher now than it was before the pandemic.
I always recommend for people to take a look at their policy, make sure it's accurate. If you've had changes like a career change, you graduated from college, a move, things like that can impact the rate of your policy. So you might see a lower rate just by making sure everything's accurate. Then shopping around is always good advice. Most carriers have had increases, so you might not save as much now as you would have a few years ago.
Martin says not every carrier is right for every driver, so you want to make sure they're meeting your needs as a driver and your budget. Being prepared is the best strategy, she says, so build up that emergency fund so it's there in case you do have an accident. It's the definition of an unexpected emergency expense. With this, watching your wallet, I'm Rachel DePompa.